We're back at the tiny house. Up today, roughing the inside. So if you're new here, we are building this tiny house for a neighbor of ours. And I will put the playlist if you want to see. We built it from the ground up. So if you kind of want to see this part, it'll be in the playlist, in the description, and at the end of the video. Patrick's reading directions. But today we have our walls up. There's a lot of stuff in here. It's a little crowded, but we are going to start the rough so that we can get the tub basin. There's a shower stall. We're going to start with the plumbing and then work on to the electric. Let's get started. First hole for our rough plumbing.
It's first hole for the tub.
Oh, and for plumbing, it's the first hole you've made.
It is the first hole. So pretty. Feel level.
What?
Level. 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 Perfect. This has a big slope on it, the Sterlings.
Yeah, I don't like all that little. I don't like all these little things in here.
Yeah, I know, but
hard to clean.
That's for Bob. Bob will clean it. Screws and fender washers, because the kit didn't come with the holders it's supposed to have. Well, we make our own.
Okay, so guys, you see how this is angled, so it's not just the back wall, it hits a little bit here on the side walls, and over here in the bathroom, to put that in, it's going obviously on that wall, but it's going to hit this wall that doesn't have the insulation yet, so we can't put that piece up. We can only put these two pieces
Can't
up.
put them two pieces up because the back has to go up.
Well, that's the dilemma. So we might not be able to put any of the walls up because it's going to hit that side that doesn't have any insulation in it. We do not have insulation here, and we just got back from the store. We are not going back right now. We went searching, and we found some insulation in the shed. So we might be able to put up all three walls. Well, my C's got into there a little bit, but yeah, that's okay. I'll leave that for you to touch. goes. Looks like it's in from the back. Let me see.
Huh?
It looks like it's in back here.
It's in.
Good. Yep.
What are you talking about, woman?
All right, it was a 30-inch.
The 30-inch sink. So we got more than enough room. You got 30 inches for your toilet. This here. Sink goes here, which gives you 33 inches. So it'll be off the wall a little bit, which will put it in here. So we just need to drill hole there, and there's a stud here, a stud here, so that'll be no problem with that. So we'll put a hole there with a 2-inch pipe for the drain,
And then that gives you your starting point, so you could go down below.
and then go in the mud. And then everything goes up into a vent pipe that goes out. The vent will run all the way across the top and out over there. But we also got to build that wall for the utility closet or utility room
/ closet.
Yeah, but this is where all the piping and the electrical panel, the water inlet will come in. So we can do that while that's drying outside.
Okay. Okay, our rough plumbing is done, and we are using PEX line. So this is the kitchen. Everything is run underneath as well, and then this is the bathroom, laundry room. Okay, now in here is going to be where the water heater goes. And if you notice, these lines are on the outside, and that is because they are going on the finished wall for a water system. It's one of them 3 canister systems that are going to be here under the water heater, and that's why it's tied together like this. And that is so we could do our air pressure test to make sure that everything is good with it and it passes its rough inspection. So if you like more videos like this, there's a lot more coming up between this build and another one that we're doing. So you could subscribe and see more there. And we will see you on the next adventure.